Hello everyone, I'm Xiao He. Today, let's try Jack&King's lamb kebab. It is said that the kebabs use organic pasture-raised lamb from Australia, which is not gamy or dry and has a tender and smooth texture. Let's see it. Considering the convenience of indoor cooking, we will use the oven today. No need the thaw or brush oil sprinkled include seasoning on the lamb kebabs. Bake at 428 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes on each side. This is the cooked lamb kebabs. It smells good and looks nice with full meat pieces. Let's take a bite. The first bite feels very tender and the seasoning is not too spicy, but mixed with the delicious meat fragrance. When you bite into it, the lamb is very flavorful but no greasy, and it tastes great.
Jack&King's, a taste of China, anytime, anywhere.